Alright, you guys, so I drive by this little construction spot here damn near every day when I go coach people. I've been wanting to check it out, and it's slowly actually gotten better. I came out one day and it just wasn't enough space for me to be comfortable to run it and like open it up. But now, since they've changed some stuff here with that construction, it's made some progress, it just looks perfectly bashable. So that's what we finna go do. And it's actually a big ass parking lot. So I brought my old ZL1 Camaro to my TA05. I'm gonna grab my keys just in case. And I'm gonna get a couple runs over here, probably, just to see. I'm hoping nobody comes out here because I don't get chased off. So the only way I'm leaving is if somebody come out here and shakes a fist at me talking about, hey, you can't be here. And then I'll probably just send it anyway. That was to make sure it was recording. It is. All right. This is gonna be fun. Got my phone on me, yep. Ground is soft. Should have wore boots. Guess what though? I don't even care. It's dry over here. Didn't like that. My shoes already heavy. Oh, you can't see shit. I wonder how much I'm gonna have to edit out of that because you can't see nothing. What's the speed on there? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn this camera around here in a second. Knew I should have wore boots instead of these running shoes. Ah, yeah. No biggie. There we go. I'm gonna turn this camera around so you can actually see. And I'll have to wipe it off every 2 seconds. Ah. Woo. Nice. Ah, damn it. Exactly what I don't want. It's waterproof, but not that waterproof. I guess it is, but... Well, Hobby Wing Max 6 is actually waterproof. All right, well, there you go. Woo! Everybody about to find out if my venting technique works too. So we won't hit that same spot again. There we go. There we go. We'll just fix the camera. Alright, this is actually a fun little spot. I'm gonna see if I can get Zeus out here with this drone later on. I have no idea how much of this GoPro is going to actually get because that lens is getting covered up, so we'll find out once I see the video. This one might actually take some editing to look good. All the other ones are, for the most part, unedited, other than basically just aiming the camera or bouncing back between views. So like when I'm changing batteries and all that, instead of looking at the car's point of view, you actually see mine. There we go. That's about the most editing that I do now. Instead of that, I don't know if I do a video again that's just jumps, I'll probably do that. Where it's just a video, just cut right to the jumps, get to the good stuff, and go. Oh, wallet, keys, and pockets. Let's play around in here for a second. If the GPS is going to pick up speeds here, but we'll give it some pulls. Nice. All right, what else is back here? Is any of this a jump? Oh, if the snow wasn't there, that is. And I ain't walking through that. Nah, because if I get stuck, I gotta dig it out from there. Nope. A couple spots if there wasn't snow, I'd send it. Say what you want, but my shoes are made out of mesh. Rock hit me right in the lips. Oh, if I had a shovel, or yeah, because I could put a shovel or just put my ramp right here. I'm gonna get Zeus out here. This is a perfect bash spot. Ground's too soft for over there right now. Where's one that I can use that's a legit jump? But I got it on camera, so it counts as a stunt. Ah! I'll go ahead and flip this over by hand. Give it a wipe. Weird. What broke? Alright, to the truck. You know what? Check it out right here. Oh, lost the bearing. I already see it. Cool. Alright, of all things that can go, I ain't mad about that. This thing's actually due for some fresh bearings anyway. You know what? Hell, instead of carrying it back, you can limp. You know, after falling in that fucking pond back there, puddle. And then pulling this out of there and then immediately going right back to work. Pretty impressed. I'm happy with the electronics on this thing. And I don't know if I actually put it on a video or not, but yesterday when I rewired everything, I actually sprayed the receiver box and all the contents within with a my sneaker protector, just in case, because when I took that box apart, I did notice that there was some water in there. Oh, there's something going on with the rear diff too. Yep. We're gonna put this one right here. Power that down. Power this one up. But I still don't remember what pinion gear I put on here. All right, we're gonna avoid the water since we got the foams on. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to like fully send this thing because I don't know if I trust the Traxxas transmitter. Woo! As far as response time and range, because I know this thing be cutting out on you. You know, we're gonna go with this street. It looks a little smoother than that side. And it's in the sun. Whew. Yeah, it's hard to keep this thing straight. I think a lot of it's got to do with that camera. If I can get it to track straight, that makes a difference too. Yeah, we might not get any full speed runs with the camera on this one. Oh, you know what? I also forgot that I had taped up that C-hub, or glued up that C-hub. So that might be affecting it too. This one's just harder to drive too. Like the suspension's not all dialed in like my others. I haven't spent near as much time with this one. And again, like I said, this is Traxxas's bottom of the line, entry-level transmitter. So I don't expect greatness from this thing. You know what? I'm gonna take the camera off and I'm gonna see if that makes much of a difference. I think it honestly will, because the weight, oh yeah. It's a heavy camera on a little car. Huge difference. Oh yeah, this thing boogies, okay. We're getting a smaller camera for this bad boy. This is gonna get the FPV action. Oh yeah, without the camera, this thing's smooth. Yeah, this one's gonna get what's that other camera, the run cam? Ooh, I'm barely even hitting the throttle on this thing too. Not even half. Oh, this thing is terrifying. Yes! Maybe half, no, it wasn't even half throttle. All right, so I'm gonna see if y'all can see how much throttle I'm putting into that. And of course you can't because I turned my head and not my hands. Woo. There we go. Got my foams wet. Oh, that was a quick hit of full throttle. Ooh, boogies, okay. Yeah, it's a Camaro. That's fitting. All right, Alex. This will be your little video for you. Oh, did I lose it? And see, that's why, like I said, I don't trust the Traxxas transmitter. Woo! Would we hit? Rocks. I think that broke something. No, maybe not. All right, that's good enough. 'Cause if that didn't break it, then it's also time to go home anyway, and I'm happy that nothing's broke. So, yeah, so this thing handles way better without the big ass GoPro on it, which doesn't surprise me. Yeah, see, that road's not as smooth as the other. I'm glad I didn't choose this one. And I haven't done any videos Well, maybe I think I've done one for this one. But I like this little rig. I don't drive it at home much because our street's not very smooth. And this thing sits, I mean, it's really low on the ground. I was gonna say something, use some kind of little saying, but no analogies today. My brain ain't firing like that. It's funny that I'll sit at home pouting, oh, my rigs are all broken, and I'll forget that I have this damn thing. Oh, I didn't just block all that, and I did. I was gonna put the camera down there. Shouldn't do this, but hey. All right, that'll do. Let's unplug this one and head on to the home. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. You know what, real quick. 113, there we go, 124. The ESC don't really give a damn. Was it 102? Yeah, that 10VL 120 is nice. Alright. I like this thing. I'm gonna drive this a lot more. I say that, but and actually, did I break anything? No, everything is still intact, so that's that gun shy after I hit whatever it was that I hit. And I need an air compressor so I can clean these up. Anyway, listen, that's all I got for y'all. So now that this is all done, heading back to the crib. I'll see y'all later.